What do you think about our fire?
Cool.
I like your chip crunching.
On the sheets too. And the bottom of the sheets of it.
What do you think about our fire? Love you, baby.
Oh yeah. Look at my toes.
Dirt toes. Cherry's getting work done. What is up, everybody? I'm in the car. I'm headed down to Orlando. We have Sam Barber tonight. Amber's meeting me there. We got an Airbnb. It's like 2 o'clock right now. And I'm gonna head down to the Airbnb a little bit early just so I can get ready and order some dinner. And I had a pretty good day so far. My golf cart tires are getting changed. I have a friend who's helping me with that. And I went out to lunch today. And yeah, I just had a pretty good day. So I'm headed down to Orlando. And I will take y'all with me to the Sam Barber concert. Woo! Yeah, I kind of just like threw my stuff in my suitcase and got out the door as fast as I could. Hey, Ambies.
Hi. Oh.
Panzalere. Gosh, your eyes are so green. Set your under in a little bit. I've never done your makeup.
No.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
It's crazy. So good. Isn't that pretty?
Mm-hmm.
I miss doing makeup on other people.
Yes. Feed me grapes too. Mushroom coffee on the way.
Okay, and look at your shadow. If you want more, I can add more. I think
Okay.
it's good, but them lips, girl. Yay! I just fell over. I was like, down there. Like we're the witches. Yum, dude. Oh, I just zoomed in on your boob. Good morning, everyone. We had such a great time at the show last night. It was so cool to see Sam Barber before he like gets crazy huge. The venue probably had like 1,000 people, and we were in the upper level seated section. The acoustics at the plaza in Orlando were incredible. He sounded so good, and his violinist, oh my god, she's so talented. Fiddle, violin, vocals. She was like playing some other instrument. It was a great show. We had a little sushi beforehand that we like randomly came across, and it was honestly some of the best sushi I've ever had in my life. Amber just left. I'm about to get on the road. Violet's dad picked her up this morning. My mom had Violet, so I think he's actually like picking her up right now, and I will get her from school tomorrow. But tonight I have a networking event. I think it's an all-women's event, and yeah, I will bring you guys along with me for that. And yeah, we had such a great time. So see you soon. So I am running so late today, which is not typical for me. I am a very punctual person, but I think I was just a little bit exhausted from the weekend, the concert we went to, and I just pulled up at this event. I'm about 30 minutes late. I did purchase a VIP ticket because I do like an elevated experience. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in there and see what it's about. I just left the event. I had so much fun. I met some new friends and I actually won something. It's a cleaning basket from the cleaning sponsor, which when she pulled it out, I literally said I'm going to win that because I own a cleaning business and I want to sponsor next year. So I did. And I'm not joking, every single girl that won is someone that I had a conversation with and got their contact. And it just blew my mind that like the winning circle of girls, we all just bonded. And look at this beautiful necklace I made. It has the evil eye and a heart, a V with pearls for Violet, a horseshoe and some stars for Luck. This reminds me of a Jula necklace that I've always wanted, and of course the seashell because the sea. And look, it looks like a Tiffany's horse bit charm. I had such a good time. I'm so happy I went. On that note, I'm going to end this vlog. It's Sunday night. I'm gonna go grab some dinner and bye.